Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Khamar Bedi, and today I will discuss about the lumpy skin disease. So this is the most important disease, which is a viral disease in nowadays happening in India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. In this region, and also it is come from the Africa, and this disease is very much dominant here now, and all the countrysides are available with this disease, and cattle are suffering very much with this viral disease. And this virus is called Neethling pox virus, which is somewhat related to capri pox virus and or goat pox virus. So this is an important disease because it damages the whole skin part of the cattle, and it also have blister on the whole body in some cases. In some cases it shows a very high temperature and also a swelling of brisket, edema in the front leg region, pain in the left hind leg, and also sneezing, mucus from the nose. Somewhat in some cases we see the diarrhea, some cases we see the respiratory signs. So it is now happening in all the parts. In some cases we see the whole body is skin is damaged by this virus. In some cases we see that there is less lesion in skin, but it cause high temperature and swelling of the leg and pain in the leg. So this is the disease which is actually happened by the bites of mosquito, fly, and mites, tick, and also the use of various kind of needles which is used in the infected cattle and used against in the healthy cattle. So the quacks especially use those kind of needles and syringe, so they can spread the disease very much. In order to control the disease, you have to first remember that you have to control fly, mosquito, and other types of ticks. So there is a solution you can use like kerosene, which can be sprayed in the drain, and also the part where the cow dungs are available. You have to remove the cow dungs. Should be the farmhouse should be cleaned and should be free from cow dung, and it should be given the cow. If the temperature is not that much high, you should give a ivermectin dose, 1 ml per 50 kg, and this dose is available in Bangladesh and in various companies. So ivermectin is also work against this virus, because virus is actually intracellular organism, and ivermectin works intracellular because it says acts against also the protozoa. And in case of corona, we see that ivermectin works very well. So it is an important issue for removing the removing the ticks, mites, mosquito from the body of the skin of the cattle. And also can use dexamethasone injection if it is not pregnant, because dexamethasone actually helps to subside the inflammation of the different lymphocyte cells, and also helps to heal very well. And you can use promethazine hydrochloride, which also very much active against allergic reaction and anaphylactic shock. But you can use the dexamethasone. If you use in the morning, you should use promethazine in the evening. So there is also one paste you can use, which is aloe vera, and which is called aloe vera and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder paste should be used on the whole body where the blisters happen, and so this will helps to reduce the skin lesions. And dexamethasone steroid will also remove the pain from the body of the cattle, and also it gives a release from the infection. Because we can use antibiotic like Ampicilin, Amoxicillin, but Ampicillin works well. Some people use Streptopenicillin, but Ampicilin and Amoxicillin better, and also should give some prebiotics or probiotics in the uh, different time. If you use antibiotics in the morning, then use probiotics in the evening. So it will help to, because antibiotic reduces the good bacteria as well. So probiotics and prebiotics will recommend the bacteria count will be okay, and that should be a great achievement because it will not go for hunger. So this is the also there is, you can provide saline with the water, normal saline with the water. We should give fresh water, and so you can use also baking soda to make bath the whole body of the cattle. It will act as antiviral. You can use vitamin C to reduce the you can use vitamin C to reduce the lesions, which is vitamin C works against abscess and very well. So you should use those type of vitamin C and other baking soda to help alleviate the lesions. If the lesions is very much high, you can use Buparvaquone injection, which is actually anti-protozoal drug, but it works against lumpy skin disease. If the skin is very much damaged, then you can do the autohemotherapy. Take 10 ml blood from the jugular vein and push and give it intramuscular. It will help to recover the lesions. If the temperature is very high, you can use Fipronil powder. It will help to remedy the problem of tick, mite and flies. So it will happen, and if you remove the tick, fly and mite, it will cure very early, because these things exaggerate the infection in very most commonly, and it should be removed to reduce the infection load. Okay, you can use potassium permanganate or povidone iodine with the water to mix and wash the whole body of the affected cattle. It will take at least 1 month to cure fully from the disease. And if it is go to pain in the legs, you should use kidney tonics, and kidney tonics will help to remove the pain in the legs, and it will help. If you can use the poultry kidney tonics to remove the pain, and it will help to problem related to the leg. And you can give the cattle in the leg hot moist therapy of warm water. It will also reduce the pain, and you should continue the antibiotic at least 5 to 7 days. And if you use dexamethasone as it will reduce, but if the temperature is very high, you can use paracetamol tablet or bolus in the alternate time. So it will help to reduce the fever. So all of these treatments actually the tentative on the basis of lesions and signs, and you should use it with your brain. When what is needed in which point, you should use with your brain and take the good cure of the cattle. So I think it help you enough. So thank you very much for listening the treatment and management, and also the recovery of the lumpy skin disease of cattle. And I hope you will continue with me, and will learn more from us and share from us. So if you have any question, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much.